iPhone 4 goddamn. Ooh. Oh shit. But they came through, they be like some agents. Mr. Anderson.
Mr. Anderson.
Oh man. This shit kind of like the Matrix, bro. In anime though. Oh. Yeah, on your bumpers. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, what kind of pistol is that? Hold my Rolex, bro. Let me get busy real quick. My boy ain't even got a jacket on. Damn.
You know why I'm here.
Damn!
Bitch. Yo. Hold that. He put the jacket back on. Hey, is this Aura? Fuck on me. Oh, it finna boom his ass. Yo, this how the show starts off, bro? Damn. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Bro, look what he did to the fucking building, bro. What the? This nigga picked up a whole building? The anime looks crisp. Bro.